Hey English 11, Mr. Nast here. Hope you're having a great day. Let's talk about Unit 0, Lesson 2, Get to Know You. And just remember, if you click on Unit 0, you click on that folder, you're going to see everything with a little more explanation. So let's take a look at Lesson 2. It says, the must-do is to watch this video you're watching right now, and to watch the Meet Miss Heck and Meet Mr. Nast videos that are posted. The should do is create a Flipgrid video and watch some of your classmates' videos. And the aspire to do is a get to know you questionnaire. The mastery check, which you will have to do at least the must do and should do items to be able to pass the mastery check, is tell us about what you learned from people in our class and in the room. So let's talk about how you'll complete this. First of all, the learning target is to get to know each other. And I already talked you through the 3 different tasks that you have to do that. I'm going to skip the Meet Miss Heck and Meet Mr. Nast slides because you will watch the videos that we create that are posted on Schoology. Now, the should do for you is the Flipgrid video. Flipgrid is, you may have used it, you may not have used it. It's an online platform where you can record short videos and share them with others in the class, including Miss Heck and myself. It's excellent, works very easily to share and collaborate in that way. So, you're going to create a video, and you will just tell us how to pronounce your name and tell us something that we should know about you. You could create a video similar to what Miss Heck and myself created with some of your background and some of your interests, but basically just your name and something we should know about you. You have to join the class on Flipgrid, so when you go into Flipgrid, always just use Google to create your account if you don't have one, and then use the join code for either hour 1 or hour period 2 right here to join the class, and that's where we'll be looking at all our different Flipgrid videos. Step by step, go to info.flipgrid.com, copy and paste the code from here. If you're in period 1 or period 2, pick the correct code, put it into the join code box, and then you should join the class. Once you join the class, there should be a space for you to post this introduction video. So you'll click the green plus to create your video, record it. You can explore some of the features. There's drawing, stickers, screen recordings, trimming and stitching and picking your framed post. And then you just share your video. Then you can check out your classmates' videos, which will also help you for the mastery check. Now, for the aspire to do, learn a little bit more about you. We have a get to know you questionnaire on Schoology that you can complete. And it's an excellent way for us to get to know even more about you, some things that make you tick, some things that are important to you, and it's an excellent way for us to learn just a little more, and that's the aspire to do option. So let's take a look at the questionnaire right here. Here's the questionnaire. Don't forget to put your birthday so we can add your name to the birthday wall. And these are all just questions about who you are, what's important to you, and it's really helpful for us to get to know you here at the beginning of the year. All right. We're excited to get to know you, excited for you to complete this lesson, and for us to continue to grow as a classroom community. Let us know if you have any questions. Have a fantastic day.